What more can you offer aside from a tiny waist?
Take me a long way. And I think it's the result of the heart that I have this already.
Anita, ilang weeks lang ang simula nung na-problem ko, pero nagkaroon ka ba ng time parang tweak some pictures sa performance mo for Asian?
Actually, to be honest, I do some guesting after the coronation night. And after that, I had meetings with my team. We planned everything from the wardrobe, from the fabrics that we will be showcasing in the international stage. So when it comes to my performance, I'm doing that. Actually, just recently, I'm trying to make my performance be more better and be more Miss Asia Pacific perfect ready na performance.
Thank you.
Anita, may ano na ba kayo? Parang group chat with your co-candidates or may na-meet ka na ba online?
We have group chat na, and I was able to talk to some girls na then. And I just can say na they're very kind and they're very excited to visit Philippines. And I'm very excited to share them what we have as Philippines as well.
Since it's your first time competing in the international stage, ano yung best advice na nakuha mo from your fellow girls?
No, it's my advantage, sabi nila, to compete because I'm the only one Filipina that will be competing in this journey. So I just need to give my best to showcase what we have as Filipina, the resilience, the culture that we have, especially in this country this time. So yun lang, they gave me the advice to just enjoy every moment of this journey kasi it will not last forever, but definitely the experience that you have, the system that you will create, and of course, whatever crown or titles that you will want that night is already a memory or treasure that you can actually be grateful for.
Last question, how are you handling the pressure since you were the first people queen from ALB talent circuit company?
I don't see it as a pressure kasi I see it as a way to actually start the ALB pageant circle this year, the competition of Sir ALB Queens, with a grateful and optimist heart that hopefully we will get this year for Miss Asia Pacific.
Just a follow-up on that, Anita, di ba, every time magpapadala ang ALB for the very first time sa mga pageant na nanalo, sa Miss Eco International, Universal Woman, Reina Hispano-Americana, Face of Beauty International, first time magpadala ng ALB na nanalo, ikaw ang first na ipapadala ng ALB sa Miss Asia Pacific International. Does that put any pressure on you?
It's a good pressure kasi knowing that it's lucky na talagang to compete first in the ALB pageant circle. I think it will be an edge for me to boost my confidence kasi knowing that there's first timer lang. I don't know how you say it, but kung sino yung first to compete, she will win the crown. Hopefully magdilang ang helmet tayo.
Anita, gaano kahanda na yung national costume and evening gowns mo for this competition? Pwede ka bang mag-name ng designer for your gown and for...
Of course, na-mention ko po kanina, I have my gown designer for both Berlin and Carnation, Sir Rian Fernandez. And at the same time, my national costume will be from Mommy Renelle Suarez, my previous gown designer as well during my national competition. Wala po bang mabigay ng hint? Kasi medyo madali siyang mag-guess yung national costume natin. Kasi it's about Philippines.
Retouch lang daw siya.
Retouch lang muna.
Retouch muna!